कुछ बता, शॉर्टकट बता, व्हाट इज दिस?
This is basically a medical report which is used to deliver medicine from hospitals clinics to patients. We have made very basic components including the battery, the wires, and the battery wheels and the motors. So as you can see in COVID-19, a lot of new robots were invented so that the pathogen can be less created. This is also used in USA, Switzerland, but the only problem is that they need driver inside these trucks. This does not need any kind of driver. It completely depends on the autopilot mode which can be operated by phone. It will be environmental friendly as it will use none kind of fuels like petrol, diesel, and it will run on electricity, and hence it will cause less pollution.
गुड मॉर्निंग। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम हर्बल मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट है। इसका मेन टॉपिक हेल्थ है। मार्केट में अवेलेबल मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट रोजाना इस्तेमाल करने से रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक की बीमारियां, इन्फ्लेमेशन, चक्कर, लंग स्वेलिंग, अनकोऑर्डिनेटेड मूवमेंट, लो बीपी वगैरह होने का खदशा गया है। इसीलिए हमने हर्बल मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट बनाया है। ये हर तरह से सेफ, असरदार और इकोनॉमिकल है, जिसको बनाने का ये तरीका
शॉर्टकट में सांग, फटाफट सांग, डेमो से सांग, काय होतं?
आमचं हायड्रोपोनिक फार्म आहे। ह्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही असे ग्लास घेऊन त्यामध्ये कोकोपीट टाकले। आपण फार्मिंगमध्ये आपण मातीचा यूज करतो, तर मातीमुळे रूट्सला जास्त वाढ मिळत
म्हणजे
नाही।
मातीशिवाय शेती.
हां, मातीशिवाय शेती, रूट्सला वाढ मिळत नाही, म्हणून आम्ही कोकोपीटचा यूज केला। कोकोपीटमध्ये म्हणजे कोकोपीट हलकी असते वजनामध्ये, त्याच्यामुळे जास्त घट्ट नाही बसत आणि मुळाला वाढ भेटते, ऑक्सिजन भेटतं आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला जास्त पाणी नाही वापरायचं।
Good afternoon, sir. So this is our model of transport and communication. We are showing how transport is connected to communication.
First is airport. Airport is connected with this air traffic controller, and the hospital is connected with the ambulance and also to another hospital. So then the ship is connected and communicated with this lighthouse
And the railway transport.
One minute only.
The minimum or to introduce the microbeans. Microbeans are the mini versions of spices, herbs, and veggies powered by vitamins, like vitamin, protein, antioxidant, fiber. The recent studies show that microbeans has a 4 to 40 times more vitamins, antioxidants. They are having many benefits. You can consume them raw. They are having benefits like it is not.
Basically, what happens in the lab is when this ISC is connected to the battery and diesel. Basically, when drivers fall asleep, there is a danger for the passenger and them.
So the working direction. How it's work?
There is basically an IR sensor, and when an obstacle comes from, it starts working.
Who has designed this? हे डिझाईन कोण केलं?
आम्हीच केलं.
स्वतः?
हमारा ह्यूमन लाइफस्टाइल एनवायरनमेंट रिसाइकल, तो हम प्लास्टिक, कागज, लकड़ी, कूड़ेदान हम उसे रिसाइकल करके उपयोग में भी ला सकते हैं।
पानी बचाओ, हमें वनीकरण और वृक्षारोपण के माध्यम से जंगलों को प्रदान किया जा रहा है।
बोलिए Only one.
का नाम है रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। इसकी वजह से हम लोग जहाँ पे भी हमेशा सूखा पड़ा रहता है से कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि अभी बारिश होगी तो बारिश का पानी इस वजह से यहाँ पे स्टोर होगा, तो ये स्टोर किया हुआ पानी हम लोग कई चीज़ों में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
और उसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फीस प्लास्टिक में करनी चाहिए। देन वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए ड्राई, वेट, मेटल एंड प्लास्टिक वेस्ट अलग अलग सेपरेट डस्टबिन में रखने चाहिए। फिर उसके बाद अगर ये एक साथ डंप हो जाएंगे तो इससे बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन फील होगा एंड पोल्यूशन के और टाइप के
ओके
शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य का अर्थ है अच्छे स्वास्थ्य का आनंद लेना, स्वयं का देखभाल करना, बीमारियों से दूर रहना। मानसिक स्वास्थ्य एक ऐसी स्थिति है जो लोगों के जीवन के तनाव से निपटने, अपनी क्षमताओं का एहसास करने, अच्छी तरह सीखने और अच्छी तरह से काम करने में मदद करती है।
आपण प्लास्टिकने रिसायकल करू शकतो या मशीनमध्ये। समजा आपण प्लास्टिक
Project is based on microplastic. Any plastic material which must convert in finally later in diameter.
Now, can you show me this Pandora box? Just walking. Just demonstrate. 1 or 2 minutes. What is exactly this?
Basically, this population box is inspired by Pandora box. So, Pandora box is story dates back to Greek mythology, where the Pandora was the first woman on earth, and she was gifted this box by the gods, and she was asked not to open it. But because humans are always curious, she opens up the box and leading to releasing all the curses and evils of mankind. So similar, this box is a population box which is inspired by the Pandora. Children have to pick lids and they have to pick chips. If they are able to answer the question, they are successful in closing the box. If they are not, then they keep opening the lids, releasing all the curses and leading to a great amount of population.
Good, very good.
Thank you.
Here we have focused on population is growing. Everywhere you can hear these projects that how population is growing. So government is taking its step to see that how we educate people, how not to plan family planning and how not to grow population. Here in our project we have focused on the population that exists, how to take care of it. Okay, now the biggest challenge that we have in front of us is migration. You know what is migration? Yeah. So what happens in migration is people from rural areas migrate to cities like Mumbai and for job opportunities, for better education facilities, for advanced whatever the infrastructural facilities that we have. So this creates a lot of strain on one particular state.
Just
And
explain.
another state there is working population that gets migrated. And then what happens?
I'm showing that
overpopulated
overpopulation is unemployment.
unused. So we focus on tourism.
This is
Now how is tourism going to be a
the
solution?
small
So now one thing is
information that is in
natural resources. You go to
just a
any
minute.
state, there is no place where there is no
It took from 1804 to 1927. It took 123 years.
So what happens is
And then later on the years reduced, so rapid increase in
government invests there.
And then again you can see that years are increasing. Yes, the population will increase, but it
Then
is
what will
slowly.
they do? They will stop.
So this extra population This here you can see there was recession. Here there was COVID, and again a recession. Now this is a booklet showing information about India's population and unemployment. This again India's population and unemployment with age structure. So these are dependent, these are dependent. So they are unemployed. And even the 7% from here, it goes here, they are unemployed. 43% unemployed, 57% employed. So our problem is to solve the unemployment.
So any remedy you are suggesting for this
Yeah,
unemployment?
hashtag control and education. Hashtag control
So
and
these are some of the places which are unexplored. These are some of the places which are not explored. You can see the information. So these are all the places in India. Beautiful places which mostly people
Ma'am, show me the demonstration.
So we go and see these places.
लोकसंख्या शिक्षण तर लोकसंख्या जे आपण पाहतो आता 2023च्या जनगणनेसाठी खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाढली आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्या देशाचा जो राहणीमानाचा दर्जा आहे खूप खालावलेला आहे. आपल्या ज्या मूलभूत गरजा आहेत त्या पूर्ण होत नाही आहेत. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करता येईल तर पहिलं जे आहे निरक्षरता, तर लोकांना आपण जास्तीत जास्त साक्षर करायला पाहिजे. त्यासाठी प्रत्येक स्कूलने गावोगावी जाऊन एखादा कॅम्प अटेम्प्ट केला तर एका घरातील एका व्यक्तीला आपण जरी साक्षर करू शकलो तरी, किंवा जे आपले भारतीय योजना आहेत मुलींसाठी योजना आहेत त्या गावोगावी समजावून सांगितल्या पाहिजे. आणि आपलं पॉप्युलेशन कसं कंट्रोलमध्ये करता येईल
The pictures दाखवा. खड़े रहो.
That is an electric bulb actually made by our students, small children. So they made it like that. Electric.
प्लास्टिक नहीं है
अंदर जाओ अंदर.
चालू करा. मोशन दाखवता का तुम्ही?
लाइट प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, इतना मतलब वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड करता है। एंड लाइक कि वो हाफ पेरिस का एरिया कवर करता है, मतलब पूरा हाफ पेरिस कवर करता है। हाँ, हाफ जितना पेरिस का एरिया टोटल हाफ उसका कवर करता है। सो हम लोगों ने जो है ये कवर वायर मैंने चालू किया। इस पे जो है
Because of this,
शाइनी पहले
पहले सनलाइट इस पे आती है, देन कन्वर्जन के एक पॉइंट पे आती है ना फोकल
बिकॉज वो
प्रिंसिपल फोकस पे, देन इट हीट्स। यहाँ पे हीट होता है, अंदर स्टीम बनता है, इवेपोरेट होकर स्टीम बनता है।
हाँ, ये वर्क नहीं कर रहा
स्टीम की प्रेशर की वजह से टरबाइन घूमता है, देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है।
हम लोगों
दिस
ने
इज डेमो
वैसे
मॉडल
ट्राई
ऑफ
किया,
दिस
बट
Solar
ये
towers.
जो है बनना नहीं है, सो यू टू बिल्ड इट।
आपको कितना बजट कितना कॉस्ट है?
1 minute. Show me, what is this? Show me in a 1 minute.
This is acid and bases. This is turmeric water. This is a natural indicator. So this is natural indicator. This is detergent water. This is a base. So when we put this solution in it, it turns red. It turns red. And this is vinegar. So when we put the vinegar in it, the red color neutralizes because this is acid.
What about this?
Uh,
Are you prepared?
we have made it with cornstarch and water, normal corn flour and water, and some food color. This is oobleck. It has both properties of solidness and liquidness. When you put pressure on it, it reacts like solid, and when you do not put pressure, when you put your finger lightly in it, it reacts like liquid.
Good, good. Is it working? Show me the just working.
Good morning, sir. This product is based on Chandrayaan, which was recently launched. I have made this product by using cardboard, paper, white, water, etc. And it incident groundwork, rocket
Just show me the work.
This is a hologram in which we have put a glass at 45 degrees. On top of that, we have kept the food. In this, refractions happening. Hits the glass, and the glass takes the ultraviolet again, forming a 3D
Yeah, it can be seen.
as you can see.
How it's work? What is this?
This is a lava lamp. In the base, we have baking soda. Here, this is vinegar with food coloring, and this is oil. So, when we put baking soda and vinegar, a reaction is happening in which a gas is produced. So, when the gas goes up, it takes the vinegar with it. That's why we can see the bubbles going upwards. But once it reaches the top, the gas ends. That's why the vinegar gets heavier again, and we can see it drowning. Come here.
मनीषा आर राजवर RJSPM पब्लिक स्कूल.
Remove the bottle.
शाळेचं नाव आहे RJSPM पब्लिक स्कूल. मनीषा राजवर. त्यानंतर अवनी कुलकर्णी
Ship 2 marbles.
धन्यवाद सर. त्यानंतर मान्यता प्रभाकर कासरूम. शाळेचं नाव इथे दिलेलं नाहीये, पण जिथे कुठे ही विद्यार्थिनी असेल त्या विद्यार्थिनीने स्टेज जवळ येऊन आपलं प्रमाणपत्र घ्यायचं आहे. मान्यता प्रभाकर कासरूम. चित्रकला स्पर्धा छोटा गट.
ब्रश लग गया है ना, तो वो
आप इसका बना देंगे ताकि ऑटोमेटिकली इसको
यहाँ
कोई भी
से
नहीं
सीड
आएगा।
वो होगा क्या?
हाँ,
हाँ, ये टँक है अभी फिलहाल.
एका विशेष सूचनेकडे लक्ष द्यायचं आहे विद्यार्थ्यांनी आणि उपस्थित जे प्रकल्पांसोबत
काफी बड़ा होता है.
सूचना अशी आहे की थोड्या
ओके स्टार्ट. काफी अच्छा है. पानी का टाइम का जो इशू और हर बीच का अभी उन्होंने एक ही किया है. ये नहीं काफी अच्छा है. Okay, how you are controlling this all things with the help of?
DPDT switch, and it is connected with our DC motor. So it flows the current. It controls the flow of current from it is given by DC motor. So that's so with the help of DC motor, we have controlling our module.
Show me this switch from inside. Like this.
It's look like this. This is
It's come ready-made or you have this?
no, we have made it. We have made it.
Okay, by soldering and this all things.
Yes. We have this is a wheeler speed. This is a pumper, and this is the seed speeder. By these two buttons, we can do backward and forward. Also. There is a no drainage. That's why we are not put water in it. And there is also future scope related to our project in this chart.
Thank you so much.
Whenever the Ganpati is that time this after Visurgence like this phenomena or like this picture we can see near to this sea coast or whatever this river that's it. So like this if the situation there so we have to change. So that's why I am doing this kind of research
आराम से.
डायरेक्ट